Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Sorry it took some time, but we're gonna be. Ooh, and YouTube already presented itself. Nice, that's cool. Oh, nice, works. Perfect. Perfect. So today we're gonna be making some more animations. Want some more animations? Just need to YouTube stuffs. YouTube, Twitter, and then we can start already animating. Alright, so today we're gonna make some teacher animations, and we're also gonna make a reaction some reaction animations. Like that's somewhat a part of a game. So I wanna make those and get them in place as well. Yeah, I think like in the next streams we're gonna do a lot of animations. We're missing out a lot of animations. Alright. Alright. So, all that stuff is set up. Alright, perfect. Damn. Alright, so this is one of the animations that we made already last time. Turned out pretty nice though. I really like those animations from last time. Turned out real good. But today we're gonna be making some different kind of stuff. Here's one of our teachers. I need to open up a file where I have everything written down with the animations, with the animation lists. Bad reaction. So, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna scroll back where all of this stuff started. Alright, so around 75? Yeah, around 75, let's make a new one. Okay, what I'm gonna do is select all of this stuff. Okay, also the meshes are selectable. Janitor mesh. Why can't I select it? That's adult mesh. Can be in reference. Okay, now it should be okay. Yep, and none of the meshes are selected except this one. But that's okay. This is parented under the hand. So for now, I'm gonna hide this dude. All right. And around 75, we're gonna start up the new animation. I don't think that even this dude only has like a walk cycle and with his hands behind him. So I guess we're gonna also make maybe an idle cycle, like a normal kind of idle cycle, because this is just that he's standing with the with the ruler. Maybe he's gonna walking also with a ruler all the time. Need to make an animation for that as well then. But okay, for now we're gonna focus just on the bad reaction one, and the showing the subject on the blackboard, and also the janitor bad reaction. But that's for later. Let's hope we get that far. I have a lot of sauce. To do. All right. So select all the controls. I'm actually gonna close all this stuff because that's gonna be a lot of things. Global move. I hope it didn't select the joints. And no, that's okay. That should be fine. Just keyframe that. Also here I'm gonna do a keyframe so everything's keyframed in this keyframe. So everything's keyframed in this keyframe. Nice. Alright. So from this point, you actually would need to Need to have a nicer idle pose, I guess. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make an idle animation. So let's do that first. Let's do that first. Let me just change up the change up our to-do list for today. I'm gonna draw a rectangle around this a bit more. Zoom back in. All right, nice. Teacher idle. All right. From 75. So I'm just gonna set this also to 75, so I don't have that much keyframes here. 76, 75. And this is gonna go to around 125. So we have enough keyframes to work with. Frames, not keyframes. Oh, hey Nick Gerg, man. How's it going, dude? Long time no see. Took me some time today to get to the stream. But I'm here. It's all good. Pretty good, man. Real nice. I'm gonna start my graduation finally. It's about that time. It's about that time to do that stuff. And yeah, doing pretty well. I'm putting together a new computer now. Like, I'm browsing through websites, trying to order parts now. Like, well, I haven't gotten to ordering, but like, I'm putting together all the parts. Then I'm gonna ask a friend of mine to check it up if everything like checks out, if all that stuff works together. And yeah, doing pretty good. Like, pretty happy about stuff, to be honest. Like, things are just nice. Life is great, you know. How about you, man? How are you doing? So I'm thinking about the idle animation as well now. Let's just do him like this, like just so his hands are on his hips, kind of, and then he's gonna bump up and down, like just a simple couple of frames. Simple animation, just a couple of frames. Saw you've been pretty productive. That's real nice, man. Like your new renders are pretty nice. Like turning out pretty good. What's your magic? Tell me about your magic. Okay, I'm gonna make this into a fist. Ooh. Yeah, we've been also working on a couple of teasers for Sabotage. Some real funny stuff, like real small clips and stuff like that, like that shows kind of life in school and things like that. I think it's gonna be pretty funny, but it's gonna take some time to create that. We're currently like storyboarding and that sort of thing. It's pretty fun. I enjoy the process. Okay, so the hand could be somewhat like this. Move it down. All right. Who else is here already? Oh, Druid Greg? Are you here, man? Damn, dude. Didn't even notice. I turned today from Athens by Risen. Yeah, I think my project now is better. I'm actually thinking about an i9. I don't know. I just like the NVIDIA NVIDIA and an Intel combo, kind of, in a way. I don't know. But I'm still doing also some research, but for now it's like I'm going for an i9. At least that's like my intention. Also, the Threadripper was pretty interesting. Like that was kind of something that I'm also interested in. I need a lot of cores. I want to be able to render. I want to be able to stream and have a lot of creative applications open and that sort of thing. So it would be yeah, okay. Could you tell me like what's somewhat the difference? Like what's like what is the big difference between, like, for example, an i9 or Ryzen, like, or i7? Like what's the advantages? Like, how does that stuff work? Because you also render a lot of stuff like that comes in real handy, right? That comes in real handy. All right. So now I want to keyframe all this stuff. All right. Like after 3 keyframes, Ryzen have very fast renders. Okay. That's interesting. I'm gonna need to look that stuff up. Sounds pretty good to me. But I also would like that his foot would be a bit like to the side. Yeah, that would be nice if I could do that. So in his idle position, he's gonna be standing like this. Alright. Can I hear myself? Can you guys hear me? Oh shit, I forgot to turn it off. Turn the sound off in another website. That's funny. Alright. Nice. Oh damn. My phone be blowing up. That's nice. That's nice though. Like, at least people need me. I'm happy about that. Alright, so maybe I'm just gonna give it like 25 frames. Because that's real fast, like the movement that it has now. So let's put this like 5. Let's like this. Nice. And this is gonna be, let's make this 85 then. Could actually copy this to the last frame as well. Alright, nice. Oh hey dude, Druid Greg. How's it going, dude? Hope you've had a fun week last week. I had one, at least. It was real fun. It was real nice. 8, and this is gonna be somewhere in the middle. How much is middle now? 4. Let's say 7. I'm real sorry, guys. My internet cable is quite flimsy. That's what fucked it up. Sorry, guys. Oh shit. And now my Facebook's open. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, computer gods. I need the janitor and the teacher things also on the other side. You guys don't need to see that. I think it's more interesting just to watch the animation process. And also my Photoshop can go to the other side. And yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Shit happens. Shit happens. I hope that everything's fine already. And yeah, okay. I'm back at least there. I'm sorry, guys. That's kind of stupid. I'm real sorry about that. Shit. I'm real sorry about that. Shit happens. Shit happens. Damn. Okay. Okay, but at least we're back. At least we're back. So so yeah, I've been quite busy working on the other work for hire assignment that we have. We're actually almost done with that, so that's pretty nice. I'm happy about that. That like at least something gets finished. At least something gets finished, and at least we get some money for that. And now I can actually continue on my own stuff whenever I want to. So I'm real happy about that. That's fucking neat. Alright, so I want him to like... I'm gonna need to use the graph editor a bit. But I also would like to make some changes here for the 1, 2, 3. What if I do 4? Ooh. So I'm gonna make it go up and down twice, the leg. Okay, this is gonna come here. Ooh. And that's strange, but okay. Let's copy this. Ooh. And I'll go back. We need 4 again. Put it again here. And then copy this keyframe to this keyframe. So that's 4 by 4 by 4. Alright, that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go drag it to 91. And let's see how much keyframes we have. 5. Okay, let's drag it like a bit more to the middle here. Alright, nice. Now let's check the graph editor of this dude. Rotation Z. Is that Z? Yep, that's Z. So this tangent, I'm gonna break this. Oop. I would like this to be... Where can I hear myself again? Oh, that's the stream itself. What the fuck? Sorry about that. As I have this headphone, it's like just... Yeah. I just hear that music most of the times. I even don't hear what's going on outside. So maybe you guys even know what's going on outside for me. That's pretty cool though. Okay. Let's just make that a bit more like this. And also these tangents, I think, can be broken. You can move this just a bit like that. So let's stop this at 91. Two. Like, let's make 3 keyframes and then let's copy this one here as well. Like here. Paste. Let's see how this works. And then there's 3 keyframes in between. And this also. Then we have 3 keyframes in between there as well. Alright. Let's check this out. Paste. Let me paste this, yeah. Okay. What if I would drag this just a tiny bit more? So let's see if this would be... Oh, this is the wrong key actually. What the fuck? Z? Is the Z responsible for the height of this thing? I think so, right? So both X and Z are responsible for that, I guess, right? Because if I just drag Z, yeah, it changes both of those. Is it local? Yeah, it's local. That's strange. Alright, I don't think it's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. That's pretty interesting. I wanna see how this works. And how is like the compatibility with like is mid. Okay. Okay. I wanna check like how it performs in games, how it performs with other things, and like that would be real nice. Because now I've been just like really focused on graphics cards and that sort of thing. I'm thinking about going for a 1080 Ti, most likely. And then I want to also be able to expand like to 2 if I need to, just in case or something like that. And other than that, nothing else really, right? Yeah. But yeah, like also the video cards were a bit sauce. But I was thinking about Titan, but then I was like, yeah, but it's too like way too much expensive. So that's what I figured out. So now it's like the time for processors to understand that part of the game, you know. Slowly all that stuff works out, I think. So what if I would just move this up like this? Alright. Then I'm gonna copy this keyframe just a bit further here, so it's the same. Alright, now let's check it out. Oh, real strange. Risen doesn't have any problem with NVIDIA GPUs. Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't have. I mean, like, they need to take care that it works with everything, right? So it's pretty much no difference, I suppose, right? I don't know. What kind of GPU are you running? Most likely also NVIDIA, right? It shouldn't be that big of an issue. Alright. Yeah, so the idle is done. I guess this is pretty okay. I like the timing for this as well. So let's just check some more stuff, what we can do with this dude. Let's add some head animation as well. So when it goes up, I would like it to stay a bit. And then when it goes down, let's see, 83. And then the head goes a bit down. Alright. Alright, let's put that here. Let's put this a bit later, and this one also a bit later. That's a bit too much. Let's check that translate Z. Okay. I have a AMD 580. Okay, not too bad. Pretty neato. Pretty neato. Not too bad. So how is that with games? Like, I don't think you also have any problems with that, right? Like any applications, like any kind of like weird things that happen? No? I don't know. Like, I'm just wondering. Like, I've never had an AMD or yeah, nothing from AMD. I've never had anything from AMD, so I think I just stick with all the things that I've always had. In a way, you know. It's okay. I'm gonna delete this stuff actually, but I'll mark it here. Just That's weird. Yeah. Just a little bit further. Maybe that's a bit too high. Just want it to be quite subtle, this movement. Want it to be a bit floaty, but not too much, you know. Just a little bit more. All right. I guess that's pretty nice. That works out real well. What is this thing? Oh, that's my Facebook again. All right. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that. I like that. I'm just gonna cross that over. Nice. Yeah, that's gonna be okay. Alright, so at 95, I'm gonna start the new animation. I'm gonna actually keyframe everything. Keyframe all the things. Si, senor. Oh, today is also the first day of school for people. Shit. I completely forgot about that. So much people actually start school from the people I know. Like, well, start going back to school. But still, like, that's crazy. I finally reached that age when I don't really mind. There's no difference anymore. Okay. Actually, you know, the foot part? No, the foot part's not gonna work out. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to do that foot part. I figured out. Or maybe... Yeah, you know, fuck it. That's gonna be okay. That's gonna be nice, actually. A little something for an animation. Maybe that's gonna be better. Nice day for many people. Yeah, man, that's true. I'm happy for the people who are like happy about going back to school or some shit like that. That's okay. At least I'm fine with that. You know. I appreciate that. At least people are trying to think about their future and stuff. That's real nice. But school isn't for everyone. School isn't for everyone, in my opinion. Okay. So the bad reaction one, I'm gonna actually start from this pose. 0. Okay. This is a tough one. I'm not really sure from which animations it could blend, so I'm not really sure where should I start it from. But would that be an issue if I just make him like, what the fuck? Okay. Let's just create the animation. Let's see where it goes. Oop. Let's zero this out. Okay. Let's keyframe that and actually zero out all these values so we have a straight hand. Also for this hand, I'm gonna do the same. Zero all this out. Select all the controllers and zero everything out again. And keyframe that as well. How high does it go? It doesn't go even that high actually. He's gonna be holding his head though. He's gonna be really into himself, like, oh no, oh no. Maybe I could, like, with the next rig, I could add like some hair control so he could like throw his hair away. Or maybe I could do that now, like just eventually make some particles. Like I think next week I can make particles or something like that. That would be actually fun for these animations. All right. Just a second. This also needs to be rotated the other way around. All right. I've been doing a lot of background stuff. Too much background stuff is going on. I don't quite like it actually. Like sometimes. Oh hey Warmius, how's it going, man? How's your game working out? Did you manage to fix your typos? I really hope so. Do you have a Twitter account or something? By the way, could give you a shout out on our Twitter. It depends on like if you want that or no. Maybe some people would also like to check out your game and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit like that. Alright. I made a format on my PC 2 days ago. 2 days installs programs and plugins. Oh shit, dude. I know how that feels. I usually spend just 1 day to install all the stuff that I need, and then like plugins and organizing stuff and everything, and I actually like that process sometimes, you know. It's pretty nice. I at least enjoy it. So this is following the body. Nice, that's perfect. Woo. He could just bounce his head like that. I fixed typos. Yeah, lol. Nice, dude. High five. Good job, man. Like, I'm happy about that. At least that's fixed. It's an iterative process, like always, to make the game. What fits better. Just constantly just adjusting everything. It's fun though. Well, okay, otherwise I don't think I would do it. How did I manage to get that high? It doesn't even go any higher? Why doesn't this go that high? Oh, it does. Okay, perfect. Nice. That's cool. I'm gonna save this keyframe. I'm gonna make those fingers a bit different. And they're gonna curl a bit. Nope, not the head though. Alright. Forums. Alright. Is there a specific forum that I should look at? Like a specific post? Play Creatures Online. Nice, dude. Yeah, you need to try posting that everywhere. Like, just as much as you can. Nice. Nice work, though. That's good. Need to take care of, need to take care of marketing and stuff, dude. You need eye holes. Eyeballs. That's what you need there. no, not that back. I posted there too. I just thought you may want to post it too. Okay, nice. Like his play creative. Play creative independent gaming discussions. Okay. Yeah, you could try actually some Facebook groups as well. Sometimes that works. For some people that works. We've actually gotten some Twitter subscribers like that, just posting in certain groups. Like, it works. Some people just like look at your stuff and they're like, yeah, this is something what I'm looking for, like what I'm interested in. That's pretty nice. Like you can find just people who are interested a bit faster. Man, internet is amazing. I think like internet's fucking great. If there wouldn't be for internet, I wouldn't even know you guys, and like I really appreciate that I can be able to talk to some people here, that actually people look at the stuff that we make, and it's a really nice feeling. Like, thanks guys, really appreciate that. Okay, he's grabbing his head. Ooh, he's trying. Oh, I finally saw the 3rd season of Rick and Morty. That stuff is great. Like, finally someone has made like a TV show which is like worth watching. Like, like a cartoon. Finally, that is like real nice. Real nice, crazy stuff. News: V-Ray and Corona Render just got a room together. Ooh. So they're making a baby or something? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay. This could be actually just a tiny bit more like this. The other hand seems a bit more nice banana shape. Nice banana shape. What the fuck do you mean? Rotate a bit more. Alright. So all of this, I'm gonna save those keyframes. Like this. This song's weird. I miss the days when I was sober? Shit, dude. I wonder how much did he drink. Damn, Daniel. I listen to a lot of, like, music with lyrics. I like lyrics. I like to just listen to stuff. I enjoyed that. And these songs, I don't usually listen to these songs, and it's, like, pretty fun stuff what I hear sometimes. It's like, what? Okay, well, maybe this guy knows something I don't. Who knows? Now to the other side. Let's give him some more time, like 2 frames perhaps. So we can actually turn his head to the other side. Over here. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be. Okay. Get this hand here. A little bit more to this here. A little bit like that, like this. Just a second. Just a second. We can manage this. We can manage this stuff. Alright. Now this needs a bit more rotation. Go a bit more up, a bit more back. Oh, what is that? Legion joins Chaos Group. I don't know if it's better now. I'm in favor of competition. V-Ray and Corona Render just got a room together. This is a textbook. Render Legion and Corona. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That's gonna be interesting. I think, like usually it's just like with the stuff with the with the graphics cards or with the CPUs. You know, it's good that those kind of people have competition because they're gonna try like who's gonna have better tech, who's gonna have better stuff. Like because at the end of the day, I think that we're gonna be the ones who are gonna be the winners in that kind of case, in a way. You know, we're gonna get the new juice stuff. Yeah. Competition's sometimes nice for them, I guess. Also, they're gonna figure out like how to grow faster in a way, I suppose. So that's nice. Okay, maybe this shouldn't be that. Okay. Okay, let's move it just a bit like this. Competition's good, that's for sure. In some cases, like sometimes you really don't need it, but sometimes, like in those cases, like you need that. At the end of the day, I think that they can actually afford doing that. They can afford having weird stuff. Okay, just small adjustments. Alright. Let's save that stuff. Move it up. Can I move it up? Really? Shit, that's really high. Maybe, yeah, just like this. No, 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 no. Okay, let's try. Let's try copying these two frames across. Control C, Control V. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is gonna be enough. Now this one. 2, 5. Or maybe just 4 is gonna be enough. Yeah, I think let's check out how it looks with 4 frames. I need one more, I think. Just like this one. And copy that. Alright. And here, all that's gonna be normal. No, 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 no. And then he could be like, no, you can't do that. Oh, no, no, no. Definitely no. He's just gonna pluck his hair out. Yeah. That's gonna be totally worth it. Yeah, pluck his hair out, and also like with the finger, that would be real good. It's okay. I actually need to write this down a bit as well as I keep going. Bad reaction. So the idle. 91, and this one is from 95 till 115. Just like plucks his hair out. Oh shit. What do you guys think? I think this would be pretty funny animation. Move back like this. More like that. So he can like have some space like this. Let's see how those hands fit there. Ooh, interesting mirrored movement. Cool though. Do you believe Cinema 4D is better for motion graphics? Yeah, actually I think so, yeah. Like, I think they have some pretty cool stuff. Like, a lot of things that I've seen, like the renders from Cinema 4D, you can make a lot of cool things. Like, motion graphic wise, I mean. At least I think so. Like, pretty cool stuff. Maybe it's even easier to do that. I think it might be even easier. Like, they have some cool tools for that. Oh, no. First things first, I need to actually stop this here. Then do this one here again. Oh, that's also nice. With some keyframes, just... I forgot to put some keyframes in. What the fuck? Where's the head following? The body as well? Okay. Okay, let's copy this after 4. Alright. And Maya is better for character animation, or I think Maya is like really nice as yeah, for rigging, for animation and that sort of things. Like, I think it's one of the best, I think, like, in my opinion. Because for me it's like rigging stuff is so simple. Like, at least it's just, I understand the flow and I understand like what I want to do, and it's really fast to get to the point. Plus the node editor and all that stuff also like really adds for me, as yeah, like, I really like that. But yeah, rendering wise, I think now they're also adding a lot of new tools that are pretty neat, but I haven't looked into them yet. I'm still using all the old stuff, as like now this summer and all this year I've been just so busy like crazy. I haven't actually had the chance to look at like new things. Like, that's what I'm a bit ashamed of. I'm a bit of ashamed about that. But yeah, I find Maya is pretty good for retopology. Like, if you want to have like your own like topology stuff, like modeling is pretty nice in it. They've added like a lot of sculpting things. It's not good for that. Rigging, yeah, rigging, animation, well, rendering as well. Like, just like any other program. I don't see really a difference in between those, to be honest. like it's just a render engine. If you feel comfortable in any of those, if you can do the things that you need to do, I think it's good. But if you can find something which is easier and feels nicer, then why not? Right? Alright. I'm gonna start there. And then when this is over, this hand is gonna be like this. Somewhere here. Just like this other hand as well. Ah! What the fuck are you doing, kid? Oh shit. Why? Why, Lisa? Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Alright, that's funny. Oh my god, why? Tell me why. Why? Why? No, 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 why? Oh, this is funny. I really like this. Nice. Oh man. Like from this position. Yeah, exactly. Maybe I could even make it. Not all. No, no, no. Not all the stuff. This one also to 18. Let's just check it out. So the first part is actually pretty nice. I like it. The first part is gonna be from 115. This stuff. No, 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 no. Well, I also made it so that it stops in the middle, just in case. But I can also make it loop from 97 to 113. 97 and 113. Alright, let's check this out. No, 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 no. Alright. Nice. So 115. And that's the A friend of mine began to learn Cinema 4D for motion graphics. For that I ask, okay, that's pretty cool. Actually, my girlfriend is also like looking into that, like looking into Cinema 4D. So I let her do that first, and then I'm gonna look into that as well. Like I'm gonna start to do motion capture. I'm gonna start doing motion capture this year. I'm gonna check out a suit that we have at school, and then I'm thinking about ordering that for our own company. As I'm gonna get a new computer, then I'm gonna get that as well. Most likely a VR set as well. So it's gonna be fucking awesome. I would like to actually do videos in VR. Like being able to do videos in VR, that would be legit. I would like that. I would really like that. Like that you actually could create your scenes, like your 3D scenes in VR, basically. But also like I would like to paint in VR. Like that's the shit. Making concept art in VR, man. What the fuck? But this, what is this part? What is this? This is there, this is there. What? Oh, okay. So what if I would just... Okay. Ooh, neat. Alright, I think I'm gonna just add one more frame for this body stuff. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that. That's hot. Wait, what? Where does this disappear? Here already? Yeah. Just gonna delete this keyframe here completely. Just gonna save it after 2. And then if I want to, I can make it longer actually. Then I can copy this keyframe to the 127. Okay. Then we could loop this. We could loop this and then it could be like looking like he's plucking out his hair. Okay, need some small adjustments for sure. This could be just a tiny bit more. This is kind of weird. Where does this start? Oh shit. Copying that to this keyframe as well. Why? Alright. Actually, now we can make both of those things loop. It started from 95, right? Alright, that's pretty neat. I like that. So let's also make 30. I would like to make an animation where he's standing just like this. So we have basically 3 bad reaction animations. That's pretty nice. I'm like, we're doing some good stuff today. At least I think so. We're doing some good stuff here today, yeah. Just need a drink. Ooh. Back to the music stuff. Need to get a new headphones. Nice to get a like decent headset for streaming. So like, well now nothing really like disturbs me, but still would be nice just to have like something better. All right. Water. I'm gonna take that. Let me take this a bit closer. Alright. So I think I'm gonna do it at 30. Or 30. 30 is the thing. And what I would like to have is one of, what's that? She's like dancing or some shit. I like this. The 2 animations are together now. Not too bad. Okay, I need that idle 2 from 75. Intel 91. I'm actually gonna copy the same keyframe again. For some, I don't like it when it does this kind of stuff. So this in between is like extra stuff basically, but still. Alright, and actually I would like this same frame to be here. Let me paste. Need more space here. Alright. So thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that follow button up there. Check out the links in the description and stay tuned with more of our stuff. Keep like which finger would be nicer? Which finger would be nicer? This one. Curled into a ball. Fucking morph ball. 130. And let's make this 45. Sorry guys. Something with my throat. Alright. I'm gonna take this dude. Let's put it somewhere around here. Oh damn. What the fuck? And it ran out of water. That's alright. At least we didn't run out of other stuff like internet before today. That was a bitch. Shit happens though, like, I mean, shit happens. Sometimes. Not this piece. And all these pieces can go like that. And these fingers. Tuck them in. Tuck this finger in as well. Let's see. Like that. Actually, these fingers a bit, just a bit more. I think that would be nice. Ooh, I have one ebook for you. Thanks. That would be really nice. Ad blocker detected. Mastering 3D animation.pdf. Ooh, nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. Like, really. I also have another dude where I'm doing the work for hire thing, like the project that I've been talking about all this time as well. The one which we're doing. And he's graduated like animation. He's an actual animator dude. Have a couple of animators who are working there. And they help a lot with these kind of things as well, that they just give references. I even got a book this just a second. Even got this book. Bam. This is a real good book. Animator's Survival Kit. This is the shit. Literally the shit. It's like by this dude called Richard Williams, and he was a director of the animation Who Framed Roger the Rabbit. And he worked on some other things as well. So he learned from a lot of people who were like the first people at Disney and stuff like that, you know. OG animator stuff. And that book is like really nice. Like, it made me understand a lot of things. And yeah, I'm gonna check that book out that you sent me as well. Like, much appreciated, man. High five. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Like this or like that? Like this. Like this, I guess. Okay. Maybe. This is tricky. This is tricky. Because I know that in some countries Doing like this means yes, and like this means no. Did you know that stuff? Dude, what the fuck? That's so weird. Like, when I heard that first, I was like, what? How? What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Like, and then I went to the store with them, and then I understood what's up with that. All right, so I'm gonna do like this. No changing pivot points. I like this curve here. I bet it's the fucking animator, no, the graph editor. Let's check this piece out. Let's check this piece out. What are these curves, boy? Are you kidding me? Ooh. And this should be like that until... I need to drag that back. Are you kidding me? Not like that. But what I want is this keyframe on 29. Paste. But oh, I missed one thing. Just this piece. On 29. Okay. What happened to this finger? What the fuck? Just the fingers. You don't need anything else. Copy and paste it at the end as well. Nice. Managed to fix that. And on the other hand, the same problem, I think. Yep. Just the 30. Alright. Select all of them. Copy 25 until 29. Alright. Okay. One thing that I could have done already, like that. Just copy 115 to 129. Then it's gonna be okay. No? Really? Copy. Don't wanna paste here? Like, what's up with this leg here? Paste that here. Because it doesn't have that. Okay. Everything was okay. It's just me that didn't know that there's enough keyframes to do everything. Copy that. Alright. Now that's all good. Now let's move to 130. So do you have any other books or maybe some tutorials that you could that you could give me on some things? Like just random stuff is also okay. I'm cool with random stuff as well. Just like checking stuff out sometimes. Like, okay, maybe this is a bit off topic of that, of animation or anything, but I've been recently watching this YouTube channel called Primitive Technologies. So basically it's this dude just playing Minecraft basically in real life. So he goes into a forest for a while, like for, I don't know, like a long time I think. And he just builds like huts, builds tools, builds a lot of weird stuff. And that's fucking amazing. Been really interested in those kind of things. Been really interested in those kind of things recently. Sorry about those burps though. Nope. At least 4. Okay. So what if I'm gonna make this and extend this a bit? $42. And in between he could be doing this. Alright, copy, paste baby. Alright. Nice. I like this actually. What do you guys think? I'm doing a good job today? Or what? No, 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 no. And now I could also make that foot bounce. Nice. Copy that. Oh, nice. Thanks, Greg. Man, you're always there. I fucking appreciate that. That's like... You're amazing, dude. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. But this keyframe needs to stick there for a bit. If I make it stick for 2 seconds. Maybe 3 frames would be better. Actually, this needs to be much faster, I think. Like... Like that he's not really that happy about this stuff that's happening in the class or something. Whatever that means. 2 seconds. In 1 second he could be doing this. 2 seconds. And again down. Let's just try some stuff out. 2 seconds again. And then here. Rise it up. Let's see how. Nope, 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 nope. Nice. I think that's pretty nice, yeah. But do we need that leg? Or we can leave it out? I think it's gonna be too much, perhaps. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out, actually. Let's see how it looks again without. It doesn't actually add that much, I think. What do you guys think? Should I leave it or should I keep it? Should I leave it or should I keep it? Leave it or dump it or change it. Or change it, like just need to copy the last one. What do you guys think? I wonder. All right. Damn. Maybe it's a bit too much. fuck it. I think I'm gonna take it away. Could adjust the pose just a bit, maybe. Just do some more. That he really like stands like that. Ooh. To this side. And then just take that waist a little bit like that. What is this? Deletable keyframe. Right there. And this gonna go just. Oh, no. Made a keyframe myself there. Don't need that. To the other side. Alright. This can go away. In my opinion, foot doesn't fit in this animation. Yeah, right? Like, yeah, doesn't fit. Nice. You know, I actually really appreciate that I can ask you guys, like, what kind of stuff could I add, or what does fit or what doesn't fit. Because also you guys have been there for a while, and you kind of have an understanding maybe how some things work in this stuff. You help me to keep it more consistent. Like, I like that. That's really cool. Thanks, guys. High five. Yeah, I think this is gonna be enough. This is gonna be enough. I'm just gonna save the last keyframes as well. Let's go for 145. Let's check a look. Take a look at all those animations. 42. I'm gonna write them down and I'm gonna take a look at them. Bad reaction 3. And this is 140 until 130, 140. 30 until 142. Alright. And the first one. Not the first one, but this one where he just plucks his hair out. 29. 115. 229. Nice. Oh, we already made 4 animations today. That's pretty legit. Yay. Alright, now let's check out the first one. 75. Because let's check the Photoshop stuff. The teacher bad reaction. Let's take that away. And let's get back to my teacher note tool. Okay, 75 until 91. What's up with this fist? Need to adjust the graph editor a bit. Just these 2 keyframes. Make them auto. Also, this one was kind of weird, isn't it? So they don't move at all. Alright, let's close the graph editor. Do you guys care that much about the graph editor? Maybe I can just drag it to the other screen so when I edit that stuff it doesn't take that much space. But also at the same time I would like to show you guys like maybe you can just like learn something new. I'm looking for a 3D printer. Do you know anyone who's expert for to help me? Like, are you looking for an expert in those kind of things? I'm not sure in printers. Well, I've done research with 3D printers, like about how can you make models with ZBrush and how to print them and what kind of technologies you can use, what kind of stuff is there. But that was already 2-3 years ago. 2 years ago, basically. And there's some really cool new printers that are coming out. That already came out, like that they have the resin at the bottom and then it just prints it up. Like, it basically pulls it out of the thingy. But I'm not sure how expensive those are. But I know that they're real good. Like, I went to Gamescom and I was at the vacuum booth. Vacuum booth. And they had some of those printers and they had a lot of prints that have came out and they were like just fucking perfect. Real nice, real nice work. And yeah, I was looking into that, but that was a year ago as well, when I was looking for a 3D printer. I think you could get one for like around 400, 500 euros, something like that. A good one. You could get a good one for that kind of price, I think. But it depends on what kind of models do you want to print? What kind of quality are you aiming for? Alright. This animation is also nice. And then let's check this one. 129. Yeah, this game's gonna be fucking funny. Also, the teasers that we made are just like ridiculous. No. Okay, so this is also nice. This animation's funny. The one with the hair, right? Nice, thank you, man. Appreciate that. So the next one is gonna be from 145. And let's make that 190. Let's see how we can work with this. You could also try to ask on Twitch channel that uses them. They might help you, I guess. Hey, dude, you're right about that, actually. Yeah, that's a great idea. Like, why not asking also on, like, where actually people work with that? Because I remember we had this lab in our school where you can go and like ask for prints and that sort of thing, and that's where like I spent some time and like I just like asked the dudes like, how's this, what is that, and checked their website, and also like looked up the technical specs of all the things. Actually, some things I found that they didn't even know. Blackboard. Until. Alright, so what I need to do now, there is a item called, okay, school blocks. This is gonna be maybe interesting to find. Blackboard. Easy though. And teacher rig. So what I would like to do with this Blackboard thing is I would like to make an animation where this dude draws something on the blackboard, like here. So he's like gonna be doing something. I'm gonna make some particle effects there. So he's gonna draw something on the... I'm looking... Prusa i3, MK2, Craftbot. Oh, those are a thing still? Damn, okay. Then maybe I can help you a bit with that. I'm just gonna open them again so I see what they look like and that sort of thing. Well, maybe let's see. MK2. I think I was looking into an MK2. I'm not sure. MK2, or is that the whole name? Yeah, that's the whole name. Okay. I've heard good things about the Zortax that M200, the Craftbot stuff. The Craftbot is what they had at school, I think. Make him use the blackboard. Make him come out of the blackboard. Oh, that would be actually cool. But I'm not sure how that would fit in the context this time. But what do you mean? Like the blackboard would open, or now I'm starting to think like how could that look like? So the idea for this is that there's gonna be multiple things that are gonna show like the item that you should learn at the point. So that's gonna give you bonus points for the class. So he's gonna show 2 or 3 objects during the class time, and then you need to use them, and then you get more points for your studies in a way. So I'm gonna make him like draw something. There's gonna be like particles eventually in the next streams. We're gonna do that this month. For sure. And what he's gonna do is he draws it, he looks at the glass and points at it. So in which hand does he have the ruler? Now I need to find the ruler. Hand was in one of the hands, right? I'm pretty sure about that. Pinky, middle, thumb, other thing. Ruler. CC hand. Yeah. Whew, you guessed it. He pierced his head. That sucks. So what I would like to do is that he stands there with the ruler. How could he be holding it? And zero this out. Actually, I'm gonna take the 0 pose, T pose, 145. Oh shit, I need all of this, all that jazz. Where did the furniture go? I'm gonna turn off the blackboard for now. Need to keyframe these guys. First things first. Copy that. 145. Alright. I'm gonna paste that here. Nice. He committed seppuku with a ruler. Had to be painful. He's like, all these kids here, they're going fucking out of control. That's it. I can't deal with this stuff. I'm gonna die. This is too hard for me, you know. Nah, like that's too much sauce for him. He can't deal with this stuff. Okay. Ooh. What was this? I hope that's not gonna be a lot of sound. So yeah, I wanted to say thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that follow button. Also check out the links in the description if you have time. And you can give us a follow on Twitter or YouTube, wherever you want to get some notifications about us, what kind of stuff we do, or you want to see like the newest news, also about the streams. Like, it's all usually there, always, like on Twitter. Like, we try staying on Twitter all the time now. As I'm doing something, I just like post on Twitter. Okay, so now let's get that blackboard back. Let's think of poses. So one thing I also need to do for this thingy is, yeah, I think this is gonna be the last animation I'm gonna do. Should have actually named this teacher animations. I didn't think that I'm gonna do just these animations. I thought that I'm gonna be able to do some more, but let's see. Alright, So we also have learning objects. I need the learning objects, and I need this global scale. But we also have, we should also have those cubes. Global animation lenses. No, no, no. Because I use the cubes for these thingies. Okay. I found some more things to make animations with then. Perfect. That's real nice. I like that. I like that, to be honest. Music lecture. Computer has animations. So computer has this cube, and I can just take it out and parent it underneath the blackboard. Yeah, blackboard and the teacher. That's what we need again. So basically, what we use that cube for is just to reference animations, like where they're gonna go, where the character should stand and all that kind of stuff. So they know, okay, go there, and then you're gonna be able to do that animation. So he's gonna get close up there. He can get like in like this. Nope. Let's see. And then he's gonna like walk to the side and like point at it or something like that. Or he could just be like, let's see what we can do with this dude. And this dude can be just like this. On the side here. He's gonna be standing with it like a sword in a way. It could just be an interactive blackboard. Yeah, it could, but we want to use it for just like as a big thing inside of the class. Like this is what you can learn with, and also I'm gonna use like certain things that indicate what you need to do inside of the game. But I'm interested now in the idea. So what if we would make it interactive? What kind of things could we do with that stuff? If you could give me some tips or something, I would gladly listen to them. Definitely. Gladly listen to it. I would gladly listen to that. But for now, let's just adjust this finger. Oh, damn. Just this part. And the top part's gonna be different. Yeah. Except this piece and those pieces. Alright. I mean, instead of drawing on it, you could just show pictures of an object that should be used to learn. Yeah, exactly. Like that's what the I'm sorry, maybe like I misinterpreted that. But yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Like he's just gonna go and like put it on there. You know? It's gonna be like a picture of it, at least a representation. Like interactive. Like oh, now I know what you mean with interactive blackboards. Not like it's game-wise interactive that the people can interact with it, but interactive keyboard, interactive blackboard as in schools now, right? That's what you meant. Damn. Yeah, actually, that's another good idea. I'm actually gonna write this down. Where do I have this? I have a document here. I have a document here. And that could be an update. Yeah, okay. Nice, dude. Thanks. Like, at first I didn't really understand it. I thought that, like, game-wise. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Cool, though. Cool. I like that. That's a nice idea. Why didn't I think about it before? Because we have interactive blackboards everywhere, but we just stick with these type of blackboards. Then we're gonna need the modeling stream. We're gonna need the model. But yeah, thanks for the tip. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I could do that. For sure. Nice idea. I really like that, though. You could just sit behind the desk and just press some buttons to change what's on the blackboard. Yeah, that's true. Or yeah, like or he can also like go and like click on something, or it can already show like the things that you can interact with on the blackboard. If it wouldn't be too small, like it could be just like let's say we have in the end of the game we have nine things you can interact with, and like they're just on the blackboard, and then he can go to it and press one of them and it gets like bigger, like, and it gets like from pixelated to like normal size, so it kind of gets the same anticipation. Like I want it to be like little bit of like loading time until like it shows up. And yeah, that's actually a pretty nice idea. I like that. I'm gonna write that down. All right. Yeah, that's nice. Thanks, Greg. Like, amazing, amazing stuff. I like that. I much appreciate it as well. Much appreciated. Like, for real. Okay. Oh, this is keyframed. Actually, I'm gonna save this keyframe. I'm gonna move it 5 frames later. And I'm gonna go back to 0. Copy that keyframe. I'm gonna go back to 145. No, no. Copy. I need that 0 frame again there. Well, not particularly, but just so it's zeroed out again. How he could be holding this stuff. Because I pretty much know that I can make those animations blend pretty well, but I need to make this like nice, so it actually can blend nice as well from a certain position or something. So let's make it like this for now, because most likely he's going to be walking before that, so it's going to be easier to blend from this position. Trying to find a nice position for the hand as well. Closer to the body, so he's like, ooh, yeah, something like that. Do you have saved lately? Oop. Now I have. Thanks, Greg. You're savior. Heyo, how's it going, man? How's it going, man? Log in on Twisted. Yeah, me too. Noticed? Thanks for joining in, man. I really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. So we've made already like 4 animations today. We've got some pretty cool stuff going on, like nice things. Oh, I didn't notice that the head is so close to the to the blackboard. That's funny. That's cool though. We can live with that. Okay. So we got this. I'm gonna make him like. Oh. So where are these dudes following? How come they're following world? They should be following body. Make that hand clip there. He must be writing with his mouth. Yeah. Like, again, the same thing, you know? With the rigs. With the rigs. I fucked it up. I'm a cheese ball. I'm a cheese ball with this. Cheesed it. What can I say? What can I say? This thing also needs to follow the body. So that's why it's so high there. No. Okay. And it swaps there. I need to also save here for the body. And also here that it's going to follow the body. Alright. Okay, let's put that there. So what I would like to do with this hand is, if it's here now, can I move it a bit towards that side? Okay, like this. Like that. Like that. All right. 2. I think the board should go higher. The board itself? Like, the whole blackboard should be higher? Or what do you mean? Or like where he writes should be higher. But I can't change that. I'm real sorry. Like, I'm even struggling with this already for the month. That's like, yeah, I understand that. What if can I just like... But then he goes into the lamp. I can't really do that. Hey. That's actually a nice position. What if I... So, this is as high as I can make him go. How high? Rotate a bit more. Alright. I don't know, what do you guys think about this? I think it's pretty nice, at least so far. Okay. And then I would like him to go back to this position. Okay. Go turn off this thingy. And copy that. And by 70 I would like him to be back. Like 3 frames I think is gonna be enough. Okay. So that's irrelevant, but this is what really matters. So if I delete this keyframe here, delete, then most likely, yeah. Two, three, 4, 5. Yeah, like this part, the last stretch, what he does, that should be just a bit, I think, further. That can be a bit further. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a real nice Unity t-shirt at the Gamescom. I really appreciate that. Like, those dudes are nice. Some of the dudes are nice. Like, I don't know all of them, that's why I can't speak of everyone. But still, nice dudes. Copy. I'm gonna paste it here, so I can do weird stuff here. With this hand, I need to select all of these controllers here for this baby boy. These. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Deselect this. Control. 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 And I'm gonna copy this across this whole thing. You need to be here. And I would also like this to be copy across this whole thing. Alright, 5 frames later, he's gonna be looking at us like this. Let's make him look back. No, wrong controller. Just this controller. Make him look hot. Let's rotate this piece as well, just a tiny bit. So he's just gonna point at the blackboard with this hand. No, this way. All right. Okay. I forgot those parts. A bit like that. To the side. Save this. Just a tiny bit. You can rotate back this thing just a bit. So he hits it like that. Right? We're almost there actually, I think. Let's just see if I can point it here, or if he can't. Just a little bit backwards. Let's see. Let's see, senor. Okay. A bit further. Copy this one again. Paste this. I don't like this song. This song's pretty crazy. Too much sauce. Oh, nice. This is a bit better. Nicer mood. And it's like this. It should be like really like down like that. Really anticipate that stuff. Okay, let's make this a bit. Is it 90? 89? Yes, it is. Okay, So he's gonna rotate as well just a bit. Alright. So I'm just gonna copy this. So this happens once, twice. I need at least one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And paste it here. And here, what he's gonna do is he's gonna just one, two, three, 4. Copy this keyframe until whereas it keeps on moving here. We don't want that. We just want this. Oh shit. My Skype needs to be on the other side because of the thingy again. I need to make my Photoshop a bit bigger as well. Alright. And then this last position here is the start position. Oop, go back, go back. Copy this from here to there. Copy, and this is gonna copy over to here. I already zoned out with this animation. Got really into it. Shit, son. I'm gonna make him circle one more, or maybe I can just make it do once. So let's see how 180 until 212 works out. So if I would make just one more frame, which is kind of empty. Empty with all these dudes. Okay. All right. So this started where? Which was the keyframe? This was keyframe 140, 145. Nice. I like that. What the fuck? No, not again. Why does this keep happening? Real weird. Okay. I think that's pretty nice. And then I can make him in like 3 or 4 frames. I can make him turn back around. In his starting position. Are you fucking kidding me? No! Jeez, my animation. Yeah. Nice cheating. Made it. Alright. That was weird. But okay. And these ones can be here. Oh, he's posed. He can turn his head back. Posed. Oh, he's posed. He can turn his head back. Possessed. What the fuck? That's crazy. He's like an owl. Owls can turn their heads like around. Now this needs to be just a bit slower, like maybe 2 frames. Let's see. Alright. Oh, that's pretty nice. All birds can in fact. Really? Okay. I thought that owls are the ones that are like super special. Alright. So I'm gonna have this 140 until, so while he's drawing, that's until 177, 175, 175. Copy that actually, put it just like that here, and just like that in the end. Nice. So if he's penguin, it's okay. Yeah, exactly. He's a penguin, it's fine. And this is until Penguin High School, man. Remember those times? That was a long time ago. We did a lot of other stuff in the meanwhile. That's pretty crazy how much stuff has changed. What the fuck? Ridiculous. I even quit my real job. Now I have my realist job. What the fuck? Dude, it's been like a crazy year. It's already September. We made a company in October. And we started this in November. And then we figured out we need to have some kind of income spot. And then we didn't really have that much time. Like we worked on this 2-3 days a week basically. As much as we could. And then in the past 2 months now we haven't been able to build any kind of features. I've been just like streaming and Mondays, Tuesdays, Sundays I work on Sabotage basically as I can, and that's how it works for me so far. I can't say anything about it. Like I'm happy how everything is. I'm happy that I'm here and I can do all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so the blackboard has the cube, has this thingy. So what if I export this blackboard? Actually, I can export these dudes. You can check out how these animations look in Unity. Sabotage assets, teachers, teacher anims 01. Yeah. And blackboard. Okay, as it's exporting. Let's wait for it. It's okay. I think it's gonna turn out real nice. It's gonna be real nice. In the meanwhile, move this to the other side, and teacher showing subject is over. So we only have janitor bad reaction left. So I guess next time we can work on some janitor animations, or alright, I'll see. I'll figure it out. Like tomorrow, I'm also doing some stuff for sabotage, so I'll see how that's gonna work out. All right. The blackboard needs to be centered, because then I just need to put the character on this. Oop. No one needs to see that. Grandma texts. Alright. I'm gonna export this selection as well, and art resources, sabotage, assets, environment, models, blackboard. Blackboard? Yep, blackboard. Alright. Wrong Unity version. Ooh, OBS. Ooh, OBS. That's 2017 Unity. Off topic. Is there any easy way to create helix curve? A helix curve? What is a helix curve? Let's check it out. Oh, like a spiral. Just a second. Can't wait to quit. Can't wait to stop this too. I think there's a primitive like that. Isn't there a primitive? Mesh. There was a way that you could. I know that for sure. Just gonna open the Unity first. Yeah, like just a spiral, right? I'm not sure if polytorus. Let me check that, because I know that I did this. I did this at some point, that I needed to do a helix, and I did that. That was not that hard at all. Polygons. Why am I stuck with this? Polygon primitives, and there's a helix here. So let's see. Okay. I don't know what I just created, but oh, you need just the curve. Okay. I think that should also be like that in a create NURBS primitives. Isn't there a helix here? Circle. Okay. What you could do. Let me just try this stuff out. I think height could be way more, radius could be way less. So let's say we have this kind of thingy. What if, so I have this edge. What if I could modify? Maybe you can convert this. NURBS to polygons, polygons to subdiv, smooth mesh, polygon edges to curve. And here I have a helix curve now. Hey, I figured it out. Nice. And then you have all these points and all kinds of stuff that you can also adjust and all that shit. Yeah, nice. So you just make a helix primitive, select one of the edges, and just extract that as a curve. Just modify it as a curve, and it's gonna be okay. Here you go, man. Like, you help me, I'll help you as well. Like, that's how I work. What is that player? Player 1 controller, player 2 controller. What is player 1 controller? What is player 2 controller? Huh, nice. Human music. I like it. So what do we need to do? Art resources. This is a bit weird view. Models, characters, and there we have. There should be a teacher. Anims. All right, and let's find this dude then somewhere else. Import package. Show an explorer. Bam. New assets. Sabotage. Yeah, I've been like rebuilding assets too. Slowly, some small stuff is going on. Hey, Master, you made it right at the end of the stream, dude. Like, thank you for coming over. I really appreciate that. We're gonna be able to see the last animations. I'm gonna implement them inside of Unity. Let's see how that works out. So, teacher anims. I'm gonna copy teacher anims. You know, actually, Druid Greg, it's really nice that that you put that thing out. Like, how now I know how to convert edges or some sort of polygon things to a curve. That's pretty cool. So then basically I could make any kind of shape and then just make it like that. Like as next week you only need to go to school? Which day? Oh, in Bulgaria you guys have school on the 15th, right? You're sad about that you're starting school at the 15th, man. Damn. I wish I had that when I was a kid. That would be fucking amazing. You're lucky, you know that? Like in every other country we started at the 1st September. So basically it would be your first school day today here. If you would be like living here in the Netherlands, you would go to school now. Like no doubt about that. Yeah, it came to my mind so I could make rapping fast. Ooh, that's pretty legit. Rapping fast. What do you mean? What do you mean? Tell me more about this rapping. What do you mean with that? So, idle 2. Oh well, I'm lucky. So now you're not sad anymore? At least I really hope you're not sad anymore. 75. And it ends at 91. I would be sad. Wouldn't be sad in your case. Like that's not a biggie, man. You can live without it. Oh, cloth around wood shaft. Okay. Yeah, that's true. That's a pretty cool idea. I like it. So I need to teacher. No! Group teacher lounge. But I needed a teacher prefab. Teacher prefab. Nice. Here we have that dude. Does he have flex plane? No. So we need fix, global, joints. I think the first. We need chest. Left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist. So here, we're gonna put a ruler there. But from this dude, I should have, okay. Materials, splatter. Ooh, that's nice. Models, characters. I had that somewhere else. I had it in textures. Props, maybe. Road props. Teacher base, teacher outfit. Outfit 1. Yeah. Nice. Found it. Alright. Ooh, no. I just want to move this thingy. Mesh render? And it gave it a ruler? Really? Are you serial? Alright. Can I maybe drop it in just as a mesh somehow? If I close this for now, and if I just drop it in, nice. And then this wrist doesn't have anything, right? Why does it have a mesh collider? I'll remove this. Anyways, I'm gonna delete that afterwards. I just need to put in the animations for this dude. So, zero this out. Nope. Just zero this out. Move it. Move it towards here. Everywhere everything needs to be positioned. It's nice. Sometimes it's nice. I'm not a bitch about it. But oh, that's sounds. Nice. We also have sounds. Ooh, just got baguettes from Lidl. Nice, dude. Enjoy. I had some of that yesterday. Legit, I had that yesterday. Okay. Player. Player. Player 1, player 2. I need these ones. These animators. Alright. I'm gonna call them test. Or preview. Nice. And then this teacher is gonna have preview 1, for example. Do I have an animator? Yeah. But also, we need to find this dude. Characters, teacher. Alright, let's cut up all those animations. So, 75, 91, and this one is going to be called idle 1, idle 2. Add one more. Then we're gonna have bad reaction. And that is going to be from 95 until 129. Nice. Bad reaction 2. Ooh, we have a sequel here. 130 until 142. Let's check this out actually. Nice. Those are cool. Those are cool animations. Nice. I like this. And then we have the black board. And that's from 140 until 175. Or, no, 128. Nice. Alright, that's perfect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 animations. Well, this is 2 animations, the bad reaction, but I'm gonna keep them for now in 1. Or actually, no. This is bad reaction 3. I'm just gonna name the things how they should be named, right? Bad reaction 2. And that's gonna be 115 till 129, and then 129. Where's that? 129. This is gonna be 115. And all of them can loop as well. All of this stuff can loop. Nice. Cool. I like that. Turned out pretty fast. That was really fast. I'm gonna get one of those blackboards. Should be a prefab. Shouldn't it be a prefab? Of course it should be a prefab somewhere. Hey, we ran out of music today. Nice, I've been streaming for quite some time, right? Neat. Almost 3 hours. Nice. Time flies by when you're having fun. So... Blackboard. Blackboard UI, Blackboard prefab. Drop it in here. 0, 0. Oh, no. Minus 90. Minus 180. And let's drop it here. I think we even have a canvas there somewhere on one of these dudes. Not the case then. Okay. What does this look like? Okay. Alright. So let's just make the preview thingies. One more. 5 animations in total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Another teacher. And another teacher by the blackboard. Ooh, damn. And this dude's gonna be rotated. So he can actually show what he's doing there. Show him what you got. Show him what you got. I'm gonna have to duplicate this stuff a little bit more. 4, 5. Alright, the second one's gonna go to the second one. Third one's gonna go to the third one. 4 is gonna go to 4. And 5 is gonna go to 5. So 4. Nice. Alright. Then the animators. So idle. This is going to be idle 2. I think it's at least from the... Let's drop the project here to the side. Idle. So where does this go? Characters. This goes underneath the teacher, right? And teacher anims. So first one's gonna be idle 2. Nope. Second one is going to be bad reaction. Oop. No. Ooh, come on, let me drop this. I'm sorry, guys. Shit happens sometimes. Bad reaction 2. And the next one. Bad reaction 3. And the last one is a blackboard. Like, okay, let's check it out. Idle. Bad reaction. Bad reaction 2. This one has bad reaction 3. And the last one has blackboard. So we can check it out. Alright, it's the attack of the clones. Let's see if the attack of the clones worked out though. I will pray to God. I'm gonna turn the crank up. Turn the crank up. Let's give it some more juice. No camera's rendering, but that's okay. Because if I make... Okay. No cameras are rendering. That's not a big problem. Because I always make a camera in the... in play mode. So that's not a good idea what I'm doing. So I'm gonna focus them. And there they are. Let's just see. Just see how this works. One thing I need to do though. Ooh. Game view. Some of these dudes, they don't need the ruler. All right. Nice. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff we guys did today. Like, what the fuck? That's a lot of stuff. And everything again pops to the other screen. Nice. I hope that it didn't... You want to see myself in the stream? Here you go. But yeah, nice. We done it. We did all these 5 animations today. I'm pretty proud. Like, this is nice. Nice, nice idle animation. Also, this animation's pretty nice. I'm gonna make him pluck his hair out. No, no, no. What is this? This is really weird. Need to loop the pose and stuff. But this is nice. I really like this part. This turned out really cool. Haha, nice. A lot of animations, guys. We did that. We did that. So on this note, I'm gonna end the stream today. So, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. It really means a lot to me, to all of you guys who've been watching. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that follow button. Also check out the links in the description. We have our Twitter channel, our Facebook, where we're not that active yet, but we're trying. We're getting there. And yeah, you can check out all our stuff. You can follow us for the greatest news on latest and greatest stuff on Twitter. We always post new stuff. Also, you can follow us on YouTube. On YouTube, we also have like a lot of stuff. Like all of our streams are there, literally all of them. and yeah, that's pretty much that for today. I hope to see you guys next week. Maybe I'm even gonna stream twice next week. We'll see about that. Keep an eye out for that schedule, like, because we have a lot of stuff to finish, and I would like to get this game moving more, because I haven't spent that much time on it now, and yeah, this summer was a lot of work. So I'm back on track with these things, and back in business with everything. And yeah. So alright guys, I hope to see you next week, and have a productive week, and yeah, have fun. Alright guys, thanks for being here today. I really appreciate that. And now you're gonna see a really nice thingy. Ooh, look at that. Look like that. Like, tunnel vision suddenly. Alright, guys. Take care. I'll see you next week. Take care, guys.